famous simply means that many other people know you. Everybody in the world knows Arnold Schwarzenegger or Steve Jobs or Madonna or Einstein. But this is only the extreme manifestation of fame. Maybe for your audience, maybe you own a company in Boston and you only do business in Boston, then it's enough when people know you in Boston. Not everyone in the world has to know you, but only the people you want to do business with. So you can define fame in a more narrow sense that, these celebrities are famous, but it has another meaning. It has the meaning that the people that should know you, that they really know you. And to the second part of your question, the most important thing to become famous is that you really want it, the desperate will. Like Madonna, she's one I write about in my book, and she said, I won't be happy until I'm as famous as God. This of course sounds a little bit crazy in a way. Maybe it is crazy in a way. But what I want to say, it doesn't happen. So you have to spend a lot of time, a lot of effort, and you have to be very smart to reach this purpose, to become famous. And to repeat it's not only for people who want to be as famous as these people that are in my book. The laws of becoming famous are the same, even for people who maybe their goal is only that the people or their potential customers in their own town know them.